15. Certainty and uncertainty. Basic patterns. To be honest, I'm not certain. Maybe. I couldn't say for sure. I couldn't say for definite. I couldn't say absolutely. I'm positive that he did it. I'm certain of it. I'm not sure that's a good idea. I can't be certain of what time I left the office. I've no idea where my shoes are. I'm not certain if he's telling the truth. Are you certain this is what you want to do? I swear this is the truth. I have no doubt about how I feel. Absolutely. Dialogue 1. Did you hear about Jerry?
Yeah, he's supposed to be real sick.
That's what I heard too.
Do you know why he's sick?
No, to be honest, I'm not certain.
I thought it was just an ordinary flu.
That's probably it, but it seems to be a little worse than that.
Maybe. I think the doctor isn't sure.
Did the doctor even have a guess?
He said it could be an infection.
Well, that's not very helpful. He could be more specific.
I know, especially since we work with Jerry.
Yeah, I'd hate to catch what he has.
Me too. I wish we could know for sure.
Dialogue 2. Do you have any idea where we are right now?
I couldn't say for sure.
What would you guess?
Well, we turned off of Houston Avenue about 5 minutes ago.
That sounds right. Yes, I think that's true.
Okay, and I think we headed south, but I'm not positive about that.
No, we turned left about a minute ago, so we're no longer pointing south.
You're right. We must be headed east again.
And we've been driving about a minute east already.
So we're somewhere near the harbor.
I wish we knew for certain where the highway was.
No way to tell. I think we should keep going east.
If you're confident that this is east, okay, we'll go this way.
Well, I can't be certain, but let's give this direction a try.
At this point, what harm could it do?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Dialogue 3.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Mr. Hampton's office.
What for?
Well, if you must know, I'm turning in a late assignment.
The only reason I ask is I'm not certain he's there right now.
Why not?
I thought I saw him leave school about 30 minutes ago.
That's awful. What can I do now?
Can you turn it in tomorrow?
I don't think so. I'm not sure, but I'd rather not wait.
Maybe you could just slip it under his door.
That's a good idea. I hope that is acceptable to Mr. Hampton.
I'm sure he'll accept it, even if it is late.
Thanks for the idea. I'll go over there now.
Okay, good luck.
Dialogue 4.
Did you see the newspaper today? They're starting the Smith murder trial.
That's what I heard. Do you think he did it?
I'm positive that he did it.
How can you be so sure?
He confessed to the police.
He says that they forced him to confess.
Oh, come on. How would they force him to confess?
I'm sure they have ways. Besides, his lawyer wasn't informed, so the confession doesn't count.
Well, they also found his fingerprints at the scene.
That makes sense. He says he found the body.
I don't believe him.
I'm not so sure. What motive did he have?
How should I know? He's crazy.
Oh, that's not fair.
Do you think the police made a mistake? Could you do a better job?
Maybe not, but the police make mistakes all the time.
Well, I think he did it. I'm certain of it.
With that kind of logic, it's a good thing you're not on the jury. I'm certain of that much. Dialogue 5.
Dear, did you call the plumber yet?
No, I told you I'll take care of the sink myself.
Oh, please don't try that again.
What? Don't you have any confidence in my abilities?
No, I don't. Call the plumber.
Why do you say that?
Remember the washing machine? You didn't do a very good job with that.
Yes, but I learned. I'm certain I can fix the sink. Just give me a chance.
Not this time. We can afford a plumber. Call him.
Okay, fine. I'll call a plumber. Substitution drills. 1. Do you know why he is sick? Do you know why he is ill? Do you know why he is not well? Do you know why he is unhealthy? 2. I think the doctor isn't sure. I think the doctor doesn't know. I think the doctor can't say. I think the doctor isn't certain. 3. Did the doctor even have a guess? Did the doctor even have a theory? Did the doctor even have an idea? Did the doctor even have a clue? 4. I couldn't say for sure. I couldn't say for certain. I couldn't say for definite. I couldn't say absolutely. 5. Do you have any idea where we are right now? Do you have any idea where we are at this time? Do you have any idea where we are at this moment? Do you have any idea where we are currently? 6. I wish we knew for certain where the highway was. I wish we knew for certain where the road was. I wish we knew for certain where the street was. I wish we knew for certain where the interstate was. 7. Well, if you must know, I'm turning in a late assignment. Well, if you must know, I'm handing in a late assignment. Well, if you must know, I'm giving a late assignment. Well, if you must know, I'm finishing a late assignment. 8. Can you turn it in tomorrow? Can you turn it in next week? Can you turn it in later? Can you turn it in now? 9. I hope that is acceptable to Mr. Hampton. I hope that is okay with Mr. Hampton. I hope that is all right with Mr. Hampton. I hope that is fine with Mr. Hampton. 10. Did you see the newspaper today? Did you hear the radio today? Did you see the news today? Did you see the TV today? 11. He says that they forced him to confess. He says that they made him confess. He says that they compelled him to confess. He says that they induced him to confess. 12. What motive did he have? What reason did he have? What cause did he have? What incentive did he have? 13. No, I told you I'll take care of the sink myself. No, I told you I'll fix the sink myself. No, I told you I'll repair the sink myself. No, I told you I'll see to the sink myself. 14. Don't you have any confidence in my abilities? Don't you have any faith in my abilities? Don't you have any trust in my abilities? Don't you have any belief in my abilities? 15. He's crazy. He's mad. He's insane. He's mentally ill. Monologue. Pam was glad that Olivia was not on a jury. Juries decide if a person is guilty or innocent of a crime in most serious trials in America. This is a tradition dating back to medieval England. Today, a jury is a group of 12 people selected from all walks of life. They are not experts on the law. The experts are the lawyers, one for the accused and one for the government, who must convince the jury of their side. Many Americans try to avoid jury duty for that reason. It often means that they are isolated from their families and have to miss work. On the other hand, some particularly exciting or famous trials can be very interesting for those on the jury. A famous murder trial would be an interesting distraction from ordinary life. Lesson 16.